how to fix iPhone stuttering and lagging issue on iPhone. To solve this problem, there are some solutions. The first one is go to your settings and hit on general. Then shut down your phone for 20 to 30 seconds and then again restart your iPhone. This might help to solve this problem. The other way is go through iPhone storage and delete the unused apps. This might help you to solve this problem. Then check for background app refresh as well. Turn it off. Once you do that, go back to general and hit on transfer or reset iPhone and reset your all settings on iPhone. This will help iPhone stuttering and lagging issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.